Apple is set to launch the iPhone 17 Pro Max, also known as the iPhone 17 Air, in the fall of this year. According to a Forbes report, the new model will be equipped with the latest technology. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a 6.9-inch Ultra Retina XDR 3.0 display, which will provide an adaptive refresh rate of up to 240 Hz with ProMotion 2.0 technology. Significant improvements have also been made in the camera department, which will include a 200-megapixel main sensor and the latest AI-based photography features, which will be capable of taking stunning photos even in low light. The design of the new model will be thinner and more modern, using a titanium 2.0 frame, which will make the phone lighter and more durable. Battery performance has also been improved, which will potentially last up to 48 hours and will be supported by solar-assisted charging technology. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's new A19 Bionic chip, which will not only deliver exceptional processing speed, but will also help in energy saving. This new model will run on the latest iOS 18, which is equipped with the latest artificial intelligence (AI) features. Furthermore, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is also introducing the latest security features, along with 6G connectivity, which will include quantum-secure Face ID. Hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.